Hey everyone, it's Huron here. I've been getting tons of messages on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, and on all my social media from people asking, I am new to crypto. Where do I start? Which app should I use to buy my first cryptocurrency? This really shows the crypto industry is growing fast with more people interested to get started and invest in coins like Bitcoin, Solana, XRP, Pepe, Cardano, and so many different coins. However, the crypto industry has lots of scam. It's crucial for new investors to know which app to use and what to look for when investing into crypto. So today I am making this video as helpful guide for anyone who is new and interested in starting their crypto journey. I will break down the best apps and exchange to buy crypto, gives you the confidence and knowledge to get started safely. Let's dive into the video. As you can see, I am on the CoinMarketCap website to compare the top cryptocurrencies for exchange. Our number one spot is Binance. Binance offers the best security in the crypto space and holds the number one spot for trading volume. They have 16 billion trading volume. Their high liquidity makes the perfect high volume trading, no matter which coin you are looking to trade. Due to their due diligence process, only top cryptocurrencies are listed on Binance, meaning you have virtual no risk of running into a scam coin when you're trading on their platform. Binance offer 427 crypto, and they support shows here 11, but I'm sure they do support over 50, and I'll show you on the app. As you can see on the app, they have over 50 fiat currency they support. Fiat is the paper money we normally use in our daily basis, like pound, euro, dollar, so on. When it comes to deposit or withdraw, they offer multiple options including bank transfer, credit, debit card, Apple Pay, and then they have crypto transfer. They were founded in 2017. Their security is very strong, including they have 2FA, two-factor authentication, SafeFu, which is secure asset fund for users. The service they offer is spot trading future, but the future is very limited. It's restricted in some countries. They have staking. You can stake your cryptos and earn a reward. They have bot trading, but in general, crypto is tradable 24/7. They are KYC. They have a strict KYC. They require identity verification for most features, and you have to upload your ID. Regulation, they operate globally, but they have friendly legislation agreement in most countries. They are not regulated yet. They are restricted in United States, few other countries like UK. For example, in the UK, it's not completely banned in the UK, but it's restricted from some services they offer. Second spot is Coinbase Exchange. It is a retail application that's very user friendly. It just comes on mobile app on iOS and Android. They offer 262 cryptos, and then they support dollar, euro, pound, the fiat currency they support. When it comes to deposit and withdraw, they offer bank transfer, PayPal, and then the crypto deposit and withdraw. I know they have very high fee transaction, but I get my money in my bank within 2 to 4 minutes, and then that's fine with me. If you are struggling with the fee transaction, maybe check different ones, but I prefer Coinbase even though they have high fee transaction. They are one of the oldest transaction. They have been in the business since 2012. They have very strong security with 98% funds is in the cold storage. The service they offer is the spot trading, Coinbase earning, staking, and then they have a wallet service as well. Their KYC is fully KYC verification for trading and withdrawal. You need to verify, and you can't trade or you can't withdraw without any verification on Coinbase. Regulation, publicly they are listed on the US and they are regulated by SEC, which makes them one of the safest exchange to trade crypto out of all the crypto exchanges. They are not banned in any countries, but they have limited in certain regions like Japan, and then some services are restricted in other countries. Our third spot on the exchange is Bybit. Bybit, they have over 680 coins, and they support limited fiat currencies. I think they are offering dollar and an euro using a third party service. However, when it comes to deposit and withdraw, primarily crypto to crypto transaction, and then they have fiat deposit through P2P and third party options. But I know they do credit and a debit card Apple Pay transaction in the Scandinavian countries like Sweden, because I've seen that. They are launched in 2018, and their security is a cold storage and a multi-signature wallets and regular security checks. They offer multiple services like margin trading, future, copy trading, staking, bot trading, and that's what makes them on top three exchange, as most people like to use future trade and copy trading on Bybit, and that's what the volume they are getting from. When it comes to KYC, recently they introduced KYC required for higher withdrawal limits. When it comes to regulation, they are registered in the British Virgin Islands with adherence to global AML standards. They are restricted in the US, UK, and Singapore, and in some countries. Bitget is one of my favorite exchange to deposit my money from my bank using credit card or Apple Pay. They have a very less fee transaction compared to Coinbase and Binance. I'm just gonna show you a screenshot of comparing Binance and Bitget. How much you get when you dip 1,000 on Binance and 1,000 on Bitget, and then it's a big difference. That's why I prefer to use Bitget. They do offer 816 coins, which is very good option to select, and they support limited fiat currencies, and then they accept to USD, Euro, Pound, and a few other currencies. But it says they support 12 currencies here. They are funded in 2018. When it comes to security, they provide cold storage for funds and multi-signature wallets, and it employs regular security audits. The service they offer is copy trading, future, bot trading, and spot trading. Their KYC is moderate, which is stricter verification for higher limits. If you wanna withdraw or trade for very high money, then they will definitely ask you to verify. Regulation, they are registered in Seychelles and complies with AML policies, which shows they have friendly approach to most countries. They are not available in the US or Singapore or certain EU countries. We have another exchange. It is called MEXC. Some people call it MEXC. It is my favorite exchange to trade future trades, as they don't have any limit when I'm trading future trades. They have over 2,590 coins, which is a great opportunity to involve in the new crypto coins. They support dollar, euro for a fair deposit through a third party service. When it comes to deposit and withdrawal, crypto deposit and withdrawals, fiat through third party provider. You can't withdraw your money into your bank. I normally send my money to Coinbase and withdraw it to my bank, as it takes 2 to 4 minutes, and I live in UK as well. They are established in 2018, which is fairly new exchange. They are on the top of the exchanges. If you go to the crypto level, you can see they are always on the top. When it comes to security, they have 2FA, two-factor authentication, cold storage, regular security audits, makes them very serious in the business. They offer multiple services such as spot trading, future, staking, ETF trading. I like to trade future trades on MEXC. Their KYC is optional for lower limit. mandatory for higher transaction volumes. When it comes to regulation, they are registered in Seychelles and follows the AML standard like Bitget exchange. They're not banned, but they are restricted in United States, China, and a few other countries. The next one is crypto.com. It is on number 13 spot on the exchange list. They offer 368 coins, including the most popular cryptocurrencies like Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and so on. And they support dollar and euro. When it comes to deposit and withdrawal, they offer bank transfer, credit and a debit card, and then crypto transfer. They were founded in 2016. When it comes to security, they implemented 2FA, two-factor authentication. They have a coin storage, and then they have insurance coverage. The service they offer is spot trading, DeFi wallet, crypto credit, staking, and then they do NFT marketplace. They are licensed in various countries and adhere the strict AML policies. It makes them accessible in most countries. They are not banned in most countries, but some of the services are unavailable in US and restricted in China. The next wallet is Phantom Wallet. It is cryptocurrency wallet designed for the Solana blockchain, providing user with a secure, user-friendly way to manage, store, and interact with their Solana-based assets, such as Solana meme coins and decentralized apps. It is non-custodial wallet, meaning that users have full control over their private keys and assets without relying on a third party. For all the previous exchange we have been looking for, they are a third party. They store your private keys, such as Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, and Bitget. Phantom was founded in 2021, which is pretty much new. For their security, they use encryption, open source code, and then secure private key storage. The service they offer is wallet service, staking, dApp integration for Solana-based apps, and you can create your own meme coin on Phantom using Radium. They have no KYC as it is a non-custodial wallet. It is not regulated as it is decentralized non-custodial wallet. This is the Phantom mobile app where you track your cryptocurrency and your money. I normally send my money from Coinbase or Bitget to Phantom, but you can always buy your coins here. You need to press Solana and put how much you want to put, 1000, credit to debit card, and credit to debit card. And then this is the payment system they offer. You have Binance P2P trading, Apple Pay, and credit debit card payment. When your money show up on a Phantom, if you want to buy your favorite meme coin, you need to go to the browser, and then you need to use the trending sites such as Jupiter and Radium. I normally use Radium. The next wallet is Trust Wallet. It is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet that supports a wide range of cryptocurrency and tokens. It allows users to store, send, and receive digital assets securely. Trust Wallet is known for its user-friendly interface and strong security, as users retain control over their private keys. Trust Wallet is official wallet of Binance, but it is independent and supports multiple blockchains such as BNB Smart Chain and Ethereum Chain and many more. They support thousands of tokens across the multiple chain, and you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet using a third party like a ramp, which is recommended by Trust Wallet. They are not regulated, and then they are non-custodial wallet with private key control. You don't need any KYC due to their non-custodial nature. This is the Trust Wallet mobile app. This is my educational wallet. It's not my private wallet, but it's pretty much easy. You need to press on this one. If you want to add your favorite cryptocurrency like XRP for example, you need to add it like this. Turn. Sorry. And then it will show up on the home page. I normally send my money to Trust Wallet using Coinbase or Binance, but you can always buy your favorite crypto, and you need to select Ethereum. and you need to select the pay with credit card, and then this is the payment service they support. But Trust Wallet recommend you to use Ramp because they have less transaction fee. That's all my rundown for the top crypto exchange. Each platform offers different strengths from a variety of coins and a unique service and strict security measures. Make sure to always conduct your own research before investing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for crypto content and follow me on social media.